Hi Solis, you've asked me to take a video of the inverter to demonstrate the noise it's making. If we're standing here this far away from it, it's very noticeable in real life. Not sure if the phone is picking it up. Or you can hear it inside the house too, even with all the doors closed. So I hope that demonstrates a little bit of what the problem could be. It is quite a low noise at the moment because it's not a particularly sunny day out there, and when it's really hot the noise increases quite a lot. Looking forward to hearing from you.